$12 million owing to the medicines of Samoa. This is really weird. And so there's no medications in Samoa, and the Prime Minister is blaming it on the middleman. They don't have a system happening. It seems like the planning is out of this. They've got no idea how to run this government, Honourable.
You know, recently I went to a private pharmacist to get my medication. I would have got it free under our policy, which is being adopted for those who are above retirement age. And so I decided to save my time going up to the hospital and get my free medication after knowing from many others that they run out of many medications. So I went to a private doctor. I got my medicines for over $400. Over $400. And that is what many of our old people are paying. And yet I have been making all kinds of noises to the fellow that was heading the hospital, who is now the minister, to serve the ministry as he ought to. And he thought that I was defaming him.
Right, yeah.
The fellow does not understand what it means to become involved in matters that are of conflict of interest.